I give you a ball, BK. Oop, ball. Shooting a ball, please. Oh, that is a way how to shoot a ball.
I know that. What's a light? I can't see a light.
Can you find that light?
Yes.
Where is it? Ah. What's that?
It's two tunnel, Papa.
It's two tunnel.
It's green, blue,
And what else?
and far away from us.
Green and blue tunnel is far away from us.
Yes.
Mm. Do you like to play that?
Yes.
Let's go or not?
This is dry already.
You try already.
This is dry. The sun is set and it's dry already.
Or the sun is shedding on the sliding and dry already.
Yes. And the water is go away gone.
And the water go away and gone.
Yes. And we can hurry up.
BK can hurry up.
So little bird can play with me.
So the bird can play with you.
Yes. And then we do still. And the little bird when he lives in somewhere.
And the little bird living somewhere. Where is it?
Look there, it's dry.
Oh, what's that?
I think it's not dry.
You think it's not dry because any reason why it's not dry?
Because something made from an oval.
Something make it like an oval?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that called?
They call water oval.
Oh, it's called water oval. Oh,
Look
that
at
is look.
another one.
Can you show me, please?
That is a water too. I'm going change here.
Can you show Papa what do you see? Can you see your shadow? How many shadow can you see now?
Oh, it's wet.
Hmm?
Wait to wait for me dry.
Oh, you have to wait for it dry.
Stand back, Papa.
Yes, I'm standing back. You want to get upstairs?
This upstairs. They find one. Purple one. Oh, something. That's where we can go.
BK, you can't. You can't look.
I'm
Getting